Hi. We're trying to figure out how we can both be in frame inside the van without being both in the front seats because, you know, we're kind of octoned for the night. This video is going to be about how we watch a movie in the van without a TV.
Yeah, so our previous van, the Roadtrek Zion, we had a TV in it, and we didn't watch it much, but Pistol's not in the shot, so she's whining.
Oh, yep.
It's like, you're talking and I'm not there.
Movie stars not in the frame.
Anyway, we did like watching movies once in a while when it was like rainy, kind of stuck in the van.
Yeah.
When we were in Oregon for the holidays, it was the first time in 4 years we'd been in like a lot of cold, rainy, wet weather in the van. So we typically spend a lot of time outside, so we don't watch a lot of TV, but we were in the van a lot, and so we needed to find a way to, you know, find a way to watch some movies. So we decided to go with a projector.
Yes, a projector. We'll show you that in a second. But first, we must popcorn.
Oh yeah, let's popcorn. Pistol looking in their mind.
Oh!
You want some popcorn?
She's a better catch. You gotta work for it. Come on.
I'm trying here.
Okay.
That's the love in you here.
Okay, one more. Do it.
Oh! Good shot. One more.
Oh! It bounces off your beard. Popcorn, check. Now, time for the projector. Let me show you where we have it stashed. We hung a little basket back here. It's got our projector and all the cords that we need. And our projector screen. Now this is super high tech. This is gonna blow your mind. It's just like a piece of polyester or something that we picked up at Walmart. It was like $2, $3, something like that. And I stitched some Velcro in 3 places on it. And then we put the other receiving end of the Velcro on the back side of this. So when we want to watch something on the projector, we just... Oh, I hung it and now I tuck it. And then that is our projector screen. So let me show you this projector. I do put it on this little cutting board here. It's pretty small. I think it's a pocket projector. It's got HDMI spot, USB spot, micro USB, so there's a lot of different things you can hook up to it. But we got an Apple connection to hook to the HDMI, so we're using our iPads and our iPhone we can hook up. So I plug in the HDMI and I will plug in my phone. I'm going to turn the projector on. Now for the audio, I got this cord right here. Whoops. And this cord works with my Bluetooth speaker. One of the things I don't like about this particular projector is that it's not Bluetooth capable. I don't know if they make them. I kind of feel like they do, and if I were to buy one again, I would probably get one that was Bluetooth capable. But for now, this works. So kind of have a better sound. Look at that, we have a screen. So no signal. I'm going to get something up. This is usually like a 2-hour process deciding what we're gonna watch.
Yeah. Whenever whether we're in the van reading, watching videos, whatever we're doing, Irene likes to lounge. That's why we have a permanent bed. She has her little chair pillow back here, and she likes to chill, play guitar. But when we're watching movies, she likes to lay back in here and watch videos. And I like to sit where Pistol is patiently waiting.
Yeah.
I sit back there, and so it works for both of us to be able to just kind of...
Yeah. I just get cozy. Whoop. Cozy right here.
It'd be nice to have a different one that you could, you know, maybe mount up here somewhere that points down. But this one, it works for this. Oh, Dutchkin RV.
Yeah, I thought we'd watch our friends.
Oh, we have some friends from Nova Scotia that have a YouTube channel. We're gonna watch their videos tonight. We don't watch many YouTube videos, but we're gonna watch theirs tonight.
Oop. There is a focus.
I'm gonna turn your light off.
Yeah, turn the light off. There is a focus dial on this too. So you can be up close, you can be further away. You can see how nice of a screen this is, and we still have a lot of lights on. So turn off a few more lights and let's show them. Yeah, and he still has a little lamp up there.
Let's watch a movie.
It's pretty cozy. Overall, it's a good projector, and I'll put the Amazon link, the affiliate link, in the description below. It's also on our website. I don't know if I would buy the same one again, honestly. I would look for one that's Bluetooth capable, so I don't have to have these cords to anything. I could just Bluetooth everything.
And maybe one that doesn't have to be straight on. This one has to be straight on, otherwise it gets distorted. I think you can do some that, you know, you can get whatever you want, we just spend more money. But this was really, I don't know what we paid for this. It was,
well, and it was so small.
It was small and very inexpensive. But if you were going to watch more TV or more movies, maybe have one that you could, you know, maybe mount someplace where you could just point it in any direction. But for us, once a week, maybe we're watching the movie.
Yeah.
Just to throw this up here. It doesn't get in your way when you're here. It doesn't get in my way when I'm back there. And it's I don't know. It's definitely a neat way to watch a movie. It feels like you're kind of in a theater.
Yeah, it really does. You can also take this outside, have the same setup, and view it on the side of the van. What are you eating?
Welcome to our home.
This is our view.
Popcorn? That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Maybe just a second video.
But we got a lot of things to see, so.
We don't get to live long enough to see everything there is to see.
There is never going to be a perfect time to do the things you want to do. If you have a dream, you have got to do it.
I just can't imagine being old going, I wish I would have. Bird was awesome.
Carry on.
Carry on.